Hey guys, it's Eli Infante, and today I'm excited to be using the FJ200 and be shooting high-speed sync portraits here in South Texas. One of my favorite things about the FJ200 is the exposed bulb, and I think it works perfectly with the Octa-M to create high-speed sync portraits here in midday sun. Like that, bring your chin down a little bit, turn your nose that way. So what I'm trying to do as I'm directing her, turn your nose back this way. What I'm getting is I'm getting the sun coming in, it's hitting your face, and we're getting a lot of shadows in the hair, right? So I'm using your hair, but also the direction of your nose to have that nice soft light, and I'm gonna fill it in with the modifier. Okay. So for this pose, we're gonna need to be like at a certain angle so that we don't get like this, mixed lighting, okay? So go ahead and turn your nose down, right there, like that. Now we're gonna fill in all of that light right there. Throughout the shoot, I noticed as her nose was going in the direction of the sun, I was getting a lot of speckled highlights in the face and unwanted shadows. So it's very important to notice those small details. And in order to fix this, all I did is I had her turn her nose away from the sun to keep that beautiful, nice, soft light on the face. And I added the FJ200 with the Octa-M for fill on the face. It's important when you're doing high-speed sync portraits to meter for your ambient exposure first, and then add your key light to fill in the light. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Westcott came to the best place to test out this FJ200. Yes, it is bright out here. You want to test out how a light can perform high-speed sync? Okay. Come to Texas.